Hi friends, I'm Kauser from KN Locker. Look, I have a Xiaomi 70 Pro device in my hand. This Chinese device. I'll show how to install Google services. Watch closely. How to install Play Store. It's not on device, and the Play Store app isn't visible here. First, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Look here now. I am connecting my phone to Wi-Fi. Look, it's connected to Wi-Fi here. Connect to Wi-Fi. Then go to settings again. Go to settings. Go there and type basic. BASIC, basic. When you type basic, you will see this option here. Go to it. After going there, look right here. Turn this on. After turning it on, now minimize this and go to Get Apps. This Get Apps, that's here. Go to this Get Apps. Tap, got it. Then open the Get Apps search bar and type Google there. You will search by typing Google like this. Google. Search for Google and tap the search button. After tapping, you'll see the Google Play Store pop up here now. Network's loading. Wait a moment. See, Google Play Store shows here. This is Play Store. Click Update here. You'll see it start updating. Look, it will be installed in a few moments. Look, it is updating. See, click Open Now. It opens. See, it's open now. After it opens, now look, you can log into your account here. Look, you can easily log into the account here. For example, I'll log in here now. Look. See, I logged into my account. It's logged in, okay? You can easily log into the account on your phone this way. Thank you, viewers.